But one of the things we've gotten really wrong as an industry with customer experience is that we actually have everything we need to block and tackle for the customer right this minute. So what's going wrong? Legacy attitudes, rules, scripts, metrics that no longer make sense. A company that understands that these things no longer serve modern business is a bank. It's a young bank, only 33 years old or so, called Capital One in the United States. And one day, a customer of this bank named Christina had a very bad day. Christina was dumped by her fiancé. So when you're dumped, what do? You've all been dumped at least one time before. When you've been dumped by a fiancé that you're living with, you gotta go buy new furniture for your apartment that you're gonna live in by yourself. To add insult to injury, her credit card was declined when she went to buy this new furniture. So she called her bank and she was crying to the contact center agent whose name was Tonya. And Tonya heard the emotion in Christina's voice. She could tell she was having a no good, very bad day. And so Tonya said, Christina, I'm sorry you're having a bad day. I'm sorry your credit card got declined. Let's fix that. No worries. But let's take it a step further. You need a rest. I'm sending you on vacation. I am giving you money. Go take a load off, relax, don't think about that ex. Christina can't believe her luck. My bank is sending me on vacation? That's insane. Not only did Tonya send Christina on vacation, she sent a bouquet of flowers to Christina's ex-fiance's house to make Christina look like a sought-after woman. This story was heard everywhere. Millions of impressions on this story all over the internet. Christina, the customer, Tonya, the agent, were reunited on a very popular talk show in the US called The Ellen Show. Capital One benefited so much from this customer service interaction. And the message of this story is we need to empower our agents to be like Tonya. Are your people empowered to simply block and tackle for the customer without much red tape? Because that's what matters. We have to be able to see something going wrong with a customer, jump up and fix it. We can't hold our employees on short leashes if we want them to transform customer experience at our companies. And Capital One gets that. It is in their culture, their mindset. They don't hold their agents to these very silly metrics that we're all used to if we've worked in contact centers, like how long is the agent on the phone? Because the agent's costing me money. Customer service is marketing. Customer service is marketing. Customer service is marketing, and I am encouraging you to cut your ad budgets. Stop spending so much on advertising and invest in making people's lives easier and better. Invest in customer service.